Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and you're here because of the topic what you just saw, right? So before I get into it, those new around over here, please make sure you subscribe and show love and support, and don't forget to press the notification bell so every time I upload a video you're first to watch it. Well, coming back to the topic, should one start a YouTube channel? Yes, definitely, why not? Everybody should start one channel, and in case you're getting inspired or someone is inspiring you to do videos, and you should go forward with it. Well, only keep certain things in mind. There are a lot of questions come out from my students, my friends have asked me. So I would say first and foremost question is why? Yes, my dear friends, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Well, as you know, I had a YouTube channel in 2007 or 2008, and I'm come after many years back again. I'm kind of 2020, I'm more active than my previous years. And in case you want to see videos what I've done, please go and check my playlist, and let me know, put in the comments, and check my work out. All right, so now coming back to the point, why? The first and foremost thing is why one should start a YouTube channel. Well, you might have a story to tell, you might have maybe you like cooking and you want to put across to the world to see how you cook, or maybe how you draw, how you teach, or how you do loads of stuff, maybe carpentry, maybe it might be anything. All right, so yes, have a vision for it, what you want to do. Second, in fact this is the first one I should have told you, that don't do a YouTube channel thinking of money. I'm not here to discourage anybody. Yes, friends, don't do because of money. Money will eventually come as time pass by, and money factor, because the first and foremost thing, if you go for money, you will never survive, I would say, or this kind of thing, that you get frustrated. Yes, my dear friends, because you put load of hard work into your content, you start working on your videos and doing a lot of stuff, and then you say, oh shit, money is not coming. So don't do a YouTube channel if money is your first preference, but you can give it a try. I'm not saying don't try it, please try it, but yes, you have to work for it. And then eventually when you say, oh, I'm putting so much of time, so much of hours, and I'm not getting no views, I'm getting no subscribers, I'm not getting anything, no benefit from YouTube, that's the time you're going to get frustrated. So my dear friends, small advice to you, work from your heart, work with a clean heart, work and focus on what you want to do and what makes you happy, so that way you can improve yourself and learn from your mistakes. Always learn from your mistakes. All right, now some of my students said, sir, what should one use? So I would say, yes, here I go. Start with a normal cell phone, guys. You can start with a cell phone and basically just upload one video. Suppose you're totally new to YouTube, start with just one video, maybe talking about yourself, or maybe taking some shots of plants, flowers, or whatever you want to feel like. Just upload a video and see the reaction of people around, and you'll get the idea, and that way you work on your content. All right, this is just for beginners. Now another factor is you might be good in cooking, you might be good in gardening, you might be into something, or you want to present it to the world. Work on it. Check some other people's video before you do a video and learn from them, because YouTube you can learn a lot of things. And one advice to you, avoid this false videos. There are a lot of good creators out there. At the same time, there are creators who lead you to, yes, you guess it, like, no, they'll teach you roundabout and then take you to the point, not come straight to the point. Okay, so but yet, yes, they have subscribers, they have views, they have a lot of fan following, so you have to create that one. So don't get discouraged with it, work for it. All right, so another thing is, yes, and about me, what am I using? Well, I started all my videos using a cell phone, okay, in 2020, and then of late, in fact today, the video what I'm doing, you can see the blur effect behind. Yes, I'm using a Canon 60D. It's an old model, but does the job of blurring, because I wanted a blur effect and work on it. You can see the blurs behind. Yes, yeah, so you can get this on DSLR. So, and friends, my advice to you is don't invest in case you're not having money for it. So a cell phone should do a job in the beginning, so start with that, and use apps on the phone. You have a lot of video editing tools on the phone, apps on the phone. You try to use those and get used to it. All right. And yes, in case your budget is big and you have the money and you have a good backing, you can buy this mic. I'm using a Boya mic. Yes, so it gets connected to the DSLR, so that way you can improve the quality. You can see the difference in the quality. So if you have the money, definitely invest and do needful. And I wish you luck, guys. And yes, put in your comments and let me know whether this video has been useful to you. And I wish you luck once again. All the best, and see you around. God bless. Thank you.